So hello guys, welcome back to my channel The Young Anime Guy. So today we are gonna talk about Shinchan. So basically Crayon Shinchan or Shinchan is one of the most popular cartoon character among the cartoon lovers, and it has created a great impact on the minds of its viewers. The Shinchan TV series has gained immense popularity across the globe. This amazing cartoon is originally a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Yoshito Usui. The story of this amazing Shinchan series revolves around the adventurous life of a 5-year-old kid, Shinosuke or Shinohara. People first came to know about the Shinchan character in the year 1990 when it was published in the Japanese weekly magazine Weekly Manga Action, and it was published by Futabasa. It kept going nicely for a few years, but after the death of its writer Yoshito Usui in 2009, the series ended in Feb 2010. The anime series of Crayon Shinchan was started in the year 1992 by a famous TV channel TBASI. Unlike the manga series, the anime series of Crayon Shinchan is still airing, and it has been dubbed in more than 30 languages so far, including Hindi. It has over 920 episodes and 25 full-length films so far. Crayon Shinchan is now a very popular cartoon series, and it is 24th highest grossing animated franchise. There is a story that's been circulating on the social media for a long time now. According to the story, Crayon Shinchan character is based on a real person who has died in an accident along with his sister. But I would like to clarify that the story is about Shinchan's death, and its inspiration that has gone viral on the internet is not true. Because of this, I have searched the internet and YouTube thoroughly. According to the videos on the YouTube and internet, Shinchan was a real character and he died while saving his sister Himawari from a car accident. Most of the people believe the story, but the truth is that this story is totally fake. So most of the people were thinking that, so what will be the real story? So no need to worry about this, guys. Before looking to the reality, please go and subscribe to my channel and please like the video. Shinchan was not a real character at all. It was based only on the imagination and pure fiction. The author Yoshito Usui created the character of Shinchan, in which he wanted to define his own childhood. He added his own flavor to the character and tried to portray how he was in the childhood and the things that he wanted to do as a child but couldn't do it. To depict the life from the point of view of a child, the author wanted to express his thoughts and experiences. So he created a child Shinchan with an adult view of the society. He created a TV series that people would relate to. Based on their daily lives back in the 1990s, Shinchan was an adult cartoon and was first created for the people in the mid-30s. But it became so popular among youth and children that the creator had to make it family-oriented. The very reason why the word crayon is included in the title of the TV series is because crayon is very popular with the children. It is used by all the kindergarten kids. Shinosuke is also one of those little kids with a vivid imagination. So, as per proof, according to Quora user and Miss Patti, who has come with the logical explanation on how Shinchan is still alive. Shinchan movie Arashi wo Yobi Ora na Hanayomi, which was released in 2010, clearly shows the future of Shinchan, his friend and family. We see Shinchan parents are alright but living in a slightly broken house. We also see the Shinchan of the future, his sister Himawari, who has turned out to a really skilled, and also the presence of Shinko-chan, who tries to call Shinosuke as Oni-chan but doesn't and quickly changes and call him Onigiri. So guys, that's all in the video. So please like the video and subscribe my channel for latest updates.